everyone.
So, welcome to my channel.
Acha.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I last uploaded. The last time I uploaded was like on July of 2021, like which was so long ago. Yeah, I was like a cringe 13-year-old that back then. Now I'm 15. Yay! 15. So right now it's 12 a.m. I'm gonna do my makeup and show you how I do my makeup. I know I'm not the best in doing my makeup. I do my makeup on a regular basis, not regularly, like when I'm like going out, but not obviously on school because like we're not allowed to wear makeup at school. But sometimes I sneak in a bit of concealer in my eyes and a bit of lip balm.
That's suspicious.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do my fucking makeup. Yay! So first off, glasses. I'm blind right now, like totally blind, and I'll take a hairband and pull all my hair away and take off my nose piercing and keep it aside.
I know I'm very annoying. Yay.
So first we go with primer. I mostly take this much. I don't like taking too much primer. Okay, we're done priming our face. I mostly take 3 pumps of foundation. This is enough for my whole face. And I'm gonna blend this all together. I'll take Yes, I know this foundation is not my shade at all, but I can't return it anymore because I already used it. But we'll make it work, like I promise. Like we'll use bronzer to make it look as if it's my own skin shade. Okay, so I need more. Gosh, I shouldn't have used my fingers. Like the last time I used my fingers to do my makeup, it was like so perfect. Like I went grocery shopping and like I didn't intend to do like a full face. Like I was thinking of concealing my eyes with by concealer. I forgot to conceal. Like oh my gosh. Let me bronze first, then I'll conceal. I don't really like bronzing my cheekbones, like I always mess it up, so we'll leave it to that. Now I will use this concealer, which is not my shade, and I can't return it anymore because yeah, I used it. So we're gonna go into the other eyes and the eyelid. into the nose here, and places where I have blemishes like here. And here. Now I'll take a bit of bronzer and try to sculpt my nose. I like sculpting like a bit below because like I wear glasses and it always turns out messy. Later I'm gonna highlight this so that it looks better. Now we're gonna mix the the concealer. We're done with this. I look like a ghost. So now I'm taking some highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my nose. And I'm gonna highlight like this part of my cheek. Okay, now time for blush. So now we are gonna use setting spray, not setting powder. There is a difference, but I think both of them are very similar, I think. But powder gives a more matte type look, I think. And setting spray is more dewy type. And I don't like matte makeup, so yeah.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Actually did it myself. Yeah. Nice.
This, if you can see, I know it's really bad, but we're not going outside right now. Okay, I already messed up my eyeliner. Okay, so my eyeliner is done and they don't look similar, I know. They look like long distant, not even twins, long distant best friends. So I'll do my mascara now. I keep getting mascara on my hair. We are done with the eyes. Now we're gonna do lipstick. I want to do this lipstick. I wear this lipstick all the time. So we're done with the makeup look. Yay! It's not bad actually. It's kind of looking good. It's not that bad. It's looking good, you know. Yee. Teri baki. Okay, whatever. So